Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kay, and here on my channel I share everything nails with you. In today's video we will be doing a gel rebalance slash builder gel fill on my returning client. I did record her nails 4 weeks ago and the video is available for you guys to rewatch. We will also be doing the same design that we took off. She said she received tons of compliment on that set, so she wanted to do the same thing. You guys see me use my fine carbide bit to take off her previous design as well as debulk her product just a tad bit. Here I'm going in with my tapered diamond barrel bit to prep her new growth. Then we'll be going in with our cylinder slash round head cuticle bit to exfoliate that cuticle. So yeah, for this client I like to use, well, she prefers Luminary system, so this is what we use. I do tweak the service just a little bit. Instead of going in with their dehydrator slash primer, I do go in with my mix of alcohol and acetone to dehydrate slash take cleanse the nail of any debris and dust, and then I'll go in with my Young Nail Protein Bond. And I like to go ahead and do a slip layer, cure that layer for 60 seconds, and then I'll go in with a slip layer, then fill it in with a bead of gel at the new growth. This client has really nice apex. Her nails are naturally thick, so we don't use a lot of products on her, but I like to make sure I debulk the product before going in to apply more product. I won't be saying the entire video because we have a video before, so I just want you guys to go ahead and watch and enjoy my work. I hope you guys are enjoying my video so far. If you are, leave me a comment. Let me know what you would like to see from me next in the next coming month. I will be going back to school, so I'm excited to see how I'll kind of transition into going to school, plus servicing my clients and maintaining my content here on YouTube and sharing my work with you guys. But that's to come. I'll let you know how it's going. I had a busy weekend this weekend. I had a wedding to go to on Sunday, and I work on Saturday. Monday did not feel like a day off because I was busy as well. So yeah, I'm excited to see. I'm a little bit nervous, but excited all at the same time. So I'm hoping I'll be able to share a little bit of behind the scene of me going back to school with you guys. So yeah, here I am just going ahead with my slip layer as well as a bead of gel to fill in her new growth, and then I take the product down the entire nail. We won't be taking our length down too much. We'll just be shaping them. So I'll be using my 100/180 grit nail file to do so. So yeah. And the French, guys, I don't know. I've been doing Frenches like nonstop. And for some reason, this French did not want to cooperate with me. It just wanted to give me trouble. So I had to wipe a few of the nails off, redo them. And then after I got done, one of them was crooked. So I was like, oh my goodness. So I ended up wiping it off and doing it over. So yeah, you guys will be able to see all of the mishap that was happening. And I think that was because we were chatting. We were chatting about every and anything at this appointment. She's such a lovely client. Appreciate her so much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys are not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. And to my subscribers, thank you guys for joining my community and supporting me. And if you are new here, welcome. I do have a video up on my live section. I did my daughter's nails live. You guys will hear us rambling in our accent, her especially. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that video, and let me know what you would like to see from me in the next upcoming video. I have a few more to upload. So yeah, stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.